Hello students, today we will study algebraic method of solving pair of linear equations. In algebraic method we have three different methods: substitution method, elimination method and the cross multiplication method. Today we will study in detail substitution method. Finding solutions means finding the values of x and y which satisfies both the equations. So I have taken two equations here. 5x plus 2y is equal to 17. This I am numbering as number 1. And 3x plus y is equal to 10 as number 2. Substitution, from name itself we can make out we are substituting value of one variable to the others. So substitution, we have to substitute. So just go for all these four variables or two variables and its coefficient. Here coefficient of x is 5, coefficient of y is 2. Here coefficient of y is 1. So this will be easy to substitute. So we will take equation 2. So from equation 2, I can write y as y is equal to 10. This 3x, here it is plus sign, plus 3x. When it goes to other side, it becomes minus 3x. Give this as number 3. So now since I have taken this value of y based on equation 2, I have to substitute this y in equation 1. So substitute y is equal to 10 minus 3x in equation 1. So equation 1 is here 5x plus 2 into, in place of y we have to substitute this 10 minus 3x is equal to 17. So 5x remains as it is, plus this I can multiply as 2 into 10, so monomial into binomial, 2 into 10 minus 2 into 3x. So 2 into 10 will give you 20. This is plus into minus is minus. 2 into 3 will give you 6x is equal to 17. So 5x plus 20 minus 6x is equal to 17. So I am taking these two terms together. This is 5x and this is 6x. So 5x minus 6x, here minus 6x minus 5x will give you 1x and sign of bigger number, so minus x. So when we add these two together we get minus x is equal to 17. This plus 20 I am taking to the other side, it becomes plus becomes minus, so minus 20. So this will give us minus x is equal to minus 3. I am cancelling minus sign, so I will get x is equal to 3. So I have got one value. To find other value, substitute this x is equal to 3. You can substitute in any, either 1, 2 or 3. It becomes more easy if you substitute in 3. So substitute x is equal to 3 in equation 3. So what is equation 3? Y is equal to 10 minus 3. Instead of x we got value as 3. And therefore y is equal to 10 minus 9. And therefore y is equal to 1. And therefore solution, always we have to write the solution. Always value of x come first. The solution is x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1. We will check it whether it is correct. So here 5 into x is 3, 5 into 3 plus 2 into 1. So 5 into 3 is 15 plus 2 into 1 is 2 is equal to 17, which is equal to, so left hand side is equal to right hand side. We will check with the second equation. Here 3 into 3 plus y is 1. So this will give us 3 into 3 is 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Here 10 is equal to left and right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1 satisfies both these equations, and therefore solution is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 3. This you can do as a rough work. This can be done as rough work, just to check whether you are correct. Okay, we will go for another example. Here I have taken 9x minus y is equal to 29. This is equation number 1. And 6x plus 5y is equal to 8. This is equation number 2. Again, look at the coefficients of all these four terms. Here, coefficient of y is 1, so we will substitute y for other terms. Okay, so from 1, what we can do is from 1 minus y is equal to 29 minus 9x. But we want y, therefore y is equal to, I am changing the sign, this becomes y plus, this becomes minus, this becomes plus. Therefore y is equal to 9x minus 29. This I will write it equation number 3. And then since I have taken it from 1, I have to substitute in equation 2. And therefore substituting y is equal to 9x minus 29 in 2. Why we are substituting 2? Because we have taken this value of y based on equation 1. So I am substituting in example 2. And therefore 6x plus 5 into, in place of y, we have write 9x minus 29 is equal to 8. Again 6x plus 5 into 9 is 45x minus 29 into 5. 30 into 5 is 150 minus 5, 145. So plus into minus is minus 145 is equal to 8. So when we add this together, we'll get 45 plus 6 is 51x is equal to 8. This minus 145 goes to other side as plus 145. And therefore 51x is equal to 145 plus 8, 8, 5, 33, 53, so 153. And therefore x is equal to 153. This is 51 into x, your multiplication. So when I take this 51 to other side, it becomes division. So 51 1 the, 51 3 the. Therefore x is equal to 3. So we got a value of x. So now to get value of y, we have to substitute this value of x in equation 3. We can substitute it in 1, 2 or 3. 3 is more easy, so I am substituting 3. And therefore we'll continue it. Substitute x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 in equation 3. In equation 3. And therefore what is equation 3? Y is equal to 9x minus 29. And therefore y is equal to 9 into, what is the value of x? X is 3 minus 29. And therefore y is equal to 9 3 is 27 minus 29, and y is equal to minus 2. And therefore solution is value of x always be that first. Therefore x is equal to 3. We get value of x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 2. We will check it. Check. 9 3 is 27. Minus 2 will be plus 2 is equal to 29. So it satisfies equation 1. We will go for second. 6 3 is 18 and 5 into minus 2 is minus 10 is equal to 8. Satisfies equation 2. Therefore our solution x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 2 satisfies both this equation. So is it clear? So what we are doing is we go for the easiest one, any variable with coefficient 1, substitute it for the value of y and or value of x, and we get both the values. That is the solution of this equation.